A wonderful morning to all. Today we are going to start a new topic and it is TH sound words. Beta T and H when comes together it gives a sound of th. So it gives a sound of th. As you know that T gives a sound of t. T की sound क्या है बेटा t. और H की sound h. But when T and H both letters are joined together, it gives a sound of th. This th sound, whenever T and H th sound is given, it is called soft sound. T and H, it also gives a sound of the also. But today we will learn about th sound. So let us read few words which starts or ends with th sound. Here beta, this is a word thin. Th in, thin. Th in, thin. Next is th ink, think. Th ink, think. Next is thunder, thunder. Th under, thunder, thunder. Then next word is thumb. Th thumb, thumb. Okay beta. Now next word is thorn. Thorn, thorn means kanta. Thorn, th on, thorn. Okay beta. Now let us read few words with ends with th sound. Ends with th sound. Look at the screen beta. First word is earth. Earth. Okay, th is at the end. Now next word sloth. 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 Next word south. South. Th is at the end. Next word is math. Math. It is one of your subject that th gives the sound of th. th किसकी sound? It gives the sound of th. th gives a sound of th also and the also. But later on I'll tell you when it gives a sound of the. Take out my English reader. Open page number 26. Say TH as in thank you. So beta, this TH gives a sound of th. This is a soft TH sound. So now we will read all the th sound word. First is path. Path. Path is rasta. Bath. Bath. You take bath daily in the morning. 3. 3. This is 3. 3 number. Okay. Next. Thick. The pencil is thick. Thin. Thin. Pencil is thin. Patli. Think. Think. Think means cheese. Think. The ink. Think. Sochna. Come to this side. Now. Thief. 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 Chor. Third. Third. I got third position. Okay. Third is whenever you will say that I got first position, second position, third position. So this is third. Okay. Tisri. 13. 13. 13. Thirsty. 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 Pyas. 30. 30. 30. 30. जब आप 30. 30. This is 30. Now next word is thrill, 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 excitement, thrill, रोमांचक और enjoyment. Next word, throw, throw, फेंकना, throat, गला. This is thorn, thorn means कांटा. Now thunder, whenever you see at the sky and there is a lightning, उसके बाद आवाज आती है ना thunder की, बादल के गरजने की. Thermos, this is a picture of thermos. Then is thread, धागा. Thumb, B is silent here. Thumb means अंगूठा. Next is cloth means कपड़ा. बेटा read page number 26 2 times and we will meet again tomorrow with a new work. Thank you and have a nice day.